As these materials are to the construction of a house, of a building. The words are to the construction of a sentence. I'm sure you got the point. How can we come to know which category some word falls in? Very easy. Language shapes our social interactions and brings order to our lives. Complex language is one of the defining factors that makes us humans. Two of the concepts that make language unique are grammar and lexicon. What is grammar? I have already discussed it in detail in the previous session. Just to refresh your memories, I would say that every language has its rules. These rules are known grammar. This is the grammar which acts as a framework for meaningful communication. The question arises over here: when people communicate, what do they fill that framework up with? The answer is very simple, that people fill this framework up with nothing but words. And the sum total of all of the words in that language is known as lexicon. A question: what happens when someone decides to construct a house? Let me know whether the construction materials for a building are chosen. I'm sure the materials are chosen. What do you say? And when we look at all these materials which are used for the construction of a house, we see that all these materials come under cement, sand, steel, concrete, glass, wood, brick, stone. When we go into details, what happens? That each category has subcategories as well. When we look at the cement, it has a number of subcategories like natural, blast furnace, Portland, quick setting, colored, rapid hardening, sulfate resisting, white Portland, high alumina. And same is the case with the rest of all categories. I mean to say, with sand, with steel, with glass, with wood, with brick, with stone, and so on. As these materials are to the construction of a house, of a building, the words are to the construction of a sentence. I'm sure you got the point. As these materials have different names, same is the case with the words. These words come under different categories. Each category has a specific name. For example, noun, pronoun, adjective, determiner, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction, and interjection. How can we come to know which category some word falls in? Very easy, very simple. For example, what's there in front of you now? Mobile screen, monitor, laptop. You got the point. So all these four words are the answer to my question. What was that? What is there in front of you? So these four words are the answers to the what question. So whatever the answer is given to the what question, that word is known noun. You got the point? What's there in front of you? Mobile phone. So this mobile phone is noun. Mobile screen. So this mobile screen is noun. Laptop. This laptop is a noun. Monitor. So monitor is noun. What's there on your body? Dress. So this word dress is the answer to the what question. So this word dress is noun. What else is there on your body? Sweater, vest, shirt, pant, trousers, shoes, socks. So all these words are nouns. You got the point? What's there in your mind? Questions. So questions, noun. What else is there in your mind? Knowledge. So the word knowledge is noun. What else? Confusion. So this confusion is a noun. What else is there in your mind right now? Clarity. So this word clarity is noun. Now ask yourself the what questions. For example, what's there in your right hand? Nothing. So this nothing is noun. Oh, mouse. So mouse is noun. What's there on your head? Cap. So that cap is noun. And keep asking the what question, and whatever the answer to this what question is there, that shall be known as noun. In detail, not now, in the next session. And now ask the how question. What? The how question. For example, what's there on your body? Dress. So dress is noun. How is the dress? Warm dress, new dress, old dress, pressed dress, washed dress, wrinkled dress, unwashed dress. So all these are the answers to the how question. So all these words are known as adjective. It's new, old, pressed, wrinkled, and so on. This mobile which you are using now, how is it? How is the mobile? New. Oh, so new is adjective. Old, useful, charged, expensive, cheap, latest. So all these words are the answers to the how question. So these words shall be known as adjective. How is this session? Boring. So this boring is adjective. No. Useful. So the word useful is adjective. No. Useless. So this word useless is adjective. You got the point. How are you? Fit, unfit, God forbid. Relaxed, entertained, clear, energetic, young, old, caring, loving, selfless or selfish, God forbid. Friendly, talkative, serious, intelligent, creative. So all these are the answers to the how question. So these words shall be known as adjective. The rest in the next session, inshallah. See you soon.